Hello, how you doing? We're going to make this soup today, vegetable soup. It's so easy, very few ingredients, delicious. Vegetarian and vegan, welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so at the back here, 1, 2, 3, potatoes, carrots and celery, roughly about 3 cups each. It's not going to make much difference if they're slightly adjusted, but you can see in volume they're about the same. 2 cups of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and today I'm using thyme. This is unbelievably quick and easy. So you're going to need a large pot, of course. In there I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil is up to you which you want to use. Let's get in the onion, let's get in the garlic, let's get in the potatoes, let's get in the celery, let's get in the carrots. You can see with the carrots, I've not peeled them, I'll just give me a little wash. Let's go salt, pepper, and the herb that you want. Like I say, I'm using thyme. Above medium heat, just fling that around in the pan for about 4 minutes. So that's just 4 minutes or so, just to kind of bring it together a little bit. We're then going to add liquid. I'm just using water. I've got 2 litres of water there. And I've got 1 litre here. So 3 litres in total. Now, like I said, I'm using water. If you wanted, maybe use some stock or something like that. High heat now. What we're going to do is bring that to a boil, get it boiling away until it's like kind of nice, soft baby food. Going to take 20 minutes maybe. Okay, off goes the heat there. All really nice and soft now. I just sort of checked it. What we're going to do is we're going to get this liquidized into a nice soup. I've got one of those things that go inside. If you don't have that, you can put it into a food blender or a processor. Let me do that. Okay, so that's a nice, beautiful consistency for me. You can thin that out if you wanted, but yeah, that's good. Check the salt level. And then what I'm gonna do is I've got some parsley here, chopped flat leaf parsley. Little mix, job done. That is beautiful, really simple. Really tasty, really easy, beautiful, heart-warming soup. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.